राजश्री की गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय।
शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः
Please don't.
Brother.
रिफ्लेक्टर
ब्लैक आता
हाँ फिल करे तो ब्लैक आएगा
इधर कनेक्ट हो ब्लैक आता लाइट इंपल्स आता कवर में Madam cross. Ma'am. Madam. Never వస్తుంది కొంచెం క్రాస్ రామా కొంచెం క్రాస్ రామా
ఎట్లా రావద్దండి అది క్రాస్ కెమెరా కట్ వస్తున్నారు లైవ్
ओके ऐसे आ रहे हैं ना ओके
फोटो ही निकालना था ना जैसे लाइव यू हैव इनवाइटेड
लाइव लाइव सर
उसमें देखो
ओके या हाँ ओनली आंटी साइड उषान साइड
సైడ్
साइड साइड या
క్రాస్ క్రాస్
हाँ
वीडियो लाइव हो रहा You're supposed to come. Sir? You're supposed to come. I know. Yeah, here.
కవర్లను తీసుకొచ్చి పక్కన పెట్టుకోవడం. సుశీల
ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञान is truly my support of life. It alone is my source of strength. The darkness of ignorance, doubts, and wrong notions which filled my mind was dispelled in your grace. Grace in form of knowledge imparted through your nectarine words. At every moment and every step in my life, you have been my protector. May I never forget this loving and blissful grace of yours. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Bow down to? I will choose to bow down to my Guru, who helped me realize God. Om Shanti. पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु, माता पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु, जो है और जो है नहीं, सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु। माता पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु, जो है और जो है नहीं, सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु। अभी शुरू अभी खत्म, सांसों की डोर अभी शुरू अभी खत्म, ये डोर पकड़ तुम तक आ जाऊं, अब करूं मेरी जतन,
प्रभु मेरे गुरु, जो है और जो है नहीं, सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु। मात पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु, जो है और जो है नहीं, सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु। सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु, सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु।
You are my father and mother, my Lord, my Guru. What is in and what is in, everything is you, Sadguru. Mother gave me birth, father gave me name, and an unexplored direction kept calling me all day. In every direction, it is you now. Which direction do I bow down? Whatever is and whatever isn't, everything is you, Sadguru. This thread of breath, no sooner does it begin, that it ends. Holding this thread, let me come to you. This is my endeavor. What has come to an end, and what has come and what has not begun, this is my endeavor. This is my endeavor. Om Shanti.
ओम शांति। अब गुरु जी का स्पीच रहेगा।
Guruji, we request you to give your golden suggestions, grace, and your love to us now.
Might be touch.
Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Actually, you need mic or something.
That's why we
This sloga is very ancient. So the Guru Shishya Parampara, Guru is referred as someone who is like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and even someone higher than them. And that is the reason Guru is respected all over the world. Since we all have taken multiple Janma, we all have taken help of multiple Guru. And even in future, many Guru will come in your life. Today is the day of all these Gurus, divine forces of nature, and your ancestor of past life will be blessing you. On behalf of all of them, I bless you all with love and affection. And also for the spiritual upliftment. Let your thoughts, emotion and actions become positive. Okay, but I find some people, their emotions, actions are not so positive which we want it. And develop sincerity in your spiritual practice. Spiritual journey is the journey of soul through different bodies for experiencing different experiences of the world. Come to a stage of purified spiritual identity. Hence, all the good and bad experience of the life should be considered as a stepping stone in your path. And don't live on the past life actually. The past life gives you only an experience which you use it for your further development. Take only positive things from the past life. Don't take negative things from the past life. And try to live on today. That's very important. And if you live today only, your progress will be in a correct way and things will be very easy and there will not be much blockages. And this is the correct way of life. And I have several times told you that not to plan the things actually, because it is not in our hand. And the nature of the divine only plans for us, because our karma is involved actually. If our karma is very good, our day-to-day work, everything goes very smooth. Otherwise, you have to undergo suffering, which again makes you more pure. And God or nature, whatever gives you as a suffering, as a disease or a hope, you should not take it as a negative. Take it positive only, because God loves you. And when you solve those problems, you become more strong and you will have a lot of powers. And most of the problems or difficulties by physical and emotion, all of them can be eliminated by strong meditation actually. That you should always practice. Whatever your problem, you should keep that away. And even the problems are there, it will be slowly reduced after the meditation. See, I have several times mentioned that you are all very pure. Otherwise, you will not come here. So, you should not get upset with the problem and all that. You should feel lucky that you are on the right path. If a diamond is covered in a mud, it is difficult to identify it. But the moment we wash it, the diamond will shine. Similarly, you are pure souls who has worked very hard for spiritual progress. And now the time has come for you to show your original shine. With your past punya, you are fortunate to have a living guru like me. Many people don't have gurus actually. Even if the guru is there, they are not power oriented, they are knowledge based only. And knowledge based gurus takes you maybe 100 or 200 births to reach the salvation stage. So you should consider it lucky and you should use this chant to go to the highest level of spiritual path and to attain mukti or moksha in the present life itself. Over the period of time, spirituality has evolved and become more scientific and easily accessible. In the past, people used to go to jungle for sadhana. But now we stay at comfortable homes by building jungle-like cities. In the past, sadhak used to spend a lot of time learning scriptures and working at ashram. Now spiritual initiation and techniques is given by and explained by scientific way by the gurus. Spirituality also has become a fast track, that is experiential rather than theory. So you get many years, maybe Buddha took 7 years, 5 years meditation, then again 2 years to get the nirvana. But all these things you can get it within 6 months to 2 years. Followed? It's a great achievement. In case of Buddha, he left his wife, kingdom, everything. But here now you can live with your family, your friends or your society, and then you can again attain mukti or moksha. So it is very, very easy actually. But so we should use the present chance or the present time and to reach to the path of mukti or moksha without much delay. And we all, there is a group like that. So we will carve up anybody's less or anybody's less action or less work. You have to at least put up your maximum effort so that we should feel okay that this person needs a help or a push, which Guru will really help you actually to push you to the aim. See, actually by initiating you in Kundalini meditation yoga, I have put all of you on the fast track, and that fast track is a strong one actually. It is not a flexible type. You can really complete actually, and I don't feel any problem actually. And so even if some blocks or something come, you should smile and again go ahead. Somebody will be waiting for you to receive. And all the stages, all the blocks, there are people to take you out. But you should put your effort. If that people feel, these people have really put the effort, surely they will lift you and put you to the end. But if you become lazy there, they will not help you. They will tell you, you suffer. Followed, So everybody has to put the sincere effort. Don't think, okay, Guru or somebody will come. No, it is not. Maybe 1 or 2 times they will help you. 3rd time they will not help. They will really mash. You are smashed. So it is better actually, use your energy and the ambition. From starting onwards, never go back. Even once, 1 inch, all the time you go on, putting your effort to the right path. Our techniques are purely scientific. Purity of the body, purity of the mind, and purity of action. All of this can be achieved by following diet. Diet is very important. Some people, I tell, the garlic ginger paste, 2-3 days they take, after that they forget. Or they tell, no, it is not tasty. See, these things will not work out actually. Then juices. Juices you have to follow because your body should be alkaline. Alkaline body only has got progress because the pH value is very important. If it is acidic, you are becoming negative. So juices are very important. Also your heart chakra is very, very important, which has to travel at a higher speed. The juices, pineapple juice like that, you have to take it. You cannot take. Somebody came and told me, we can take the juice, but cleaning of the vessel and all that is very difficult. So we are little lazy actually. I told this does not work out actually. So many people I have to see, laziness is not a solution. And many people, today chalega, tomorrow we'll make it. No, there is no tomorrow with you. Only today is with you. So be careful. And also PHP exercises, acupressure, meditation. PHP exercises are really a short exercises which contains most of the movements of your body and mind. It's a capsule actually. Maybe 5-10 minutes if you practice morning and evening, most of your basic health problem can be solved. Many people, one time they do. It means you should do it 2 times actually. Sincerely, not for me, for you people only. Think, oh, Guruji ne bola, Guruji, no. It's for you. And also I want you to do why, when you do only other people will follow. They are also staying lazy and sleeping. Then these people are doing, so I have to also do it. They will also feel, So it is your duty to give, a push to others. You are creating punya, isn't it?
Yes.
You will tell now, such a age also they are doing PhD. I should not sleep like this, or I should have to do it actually. So, and it is very easy also. There is no big problem in doing.
Yes.
Many people, they cannot sit and, wait. These bones, everything has gone down. But I tell you, you go on practicing, you'll be able to sit actually. See, now the coronavirus, how people are troubled, isn't it? Like that, some other virus will come, you have to sit and up. That will be the solution. So then what do you do? There is no toilet or toilet seat like that. What do you do? So it is better now only practice. Follow. Meditation is most important aspect. It is going to make your body and every cell of your body high in energy. So each of the cell of your body shows higher vibration. See, vibration is very, very important. See, this coronavirus has got a low vibration, maybe 5, 6 or maybe cycles per. But if you go on meditation, you can go to 14, 50, 150, 160 cycles per second vibration. Then no disease can come. If you are meditating, the vibration of your body goes very high. If you are smiling, then maybe 20, 30. Like that, there is a stage of vibration of your body. And the meditation time, the vibration of the body goes very high. Yesterday, Lakshmi was asking me, I was not taking any juices because of problem actually. But I was regularly meditating. But the result came, I was thinking result will be very bad because I did not. But the result was very good. Because she was taking, all the days she was doing meditation. That saved her. But that doesn't mean you can miss juices. It's not fair actually. You get double, growth actually. Yes. Body, mind, soul. This body is also very important because it is a chariot for the soul to travel. Some level of body health and strength is very important. You cannot neglect the body. Our work at Hyderabad Center is progressing smoothly. We are thankful for all of you of your donation to the KMG Trust. Soon we will be taking up the work of the center in Bombay also. So salutation to all the souls. Always remember that you are pure. You have high potential for growth. You have punya for fast life. This is the time for you to grow. So be sincere and disciplined. I bless you all with love for your spiritual growth and happiness. Always love and keep smiling. Don't get upset with small things. These small things is only to trigger you, to your irritation and negativeness. If you are able to sustain, you are past. If you are not able to sustain, or if you are holding it, you are not. See, in temple if you go, there are lot of, what is that wo puja hum karayega, ye sab karayega. Not pujari. Panda. So what they will come and tell you, I will take you this, especially the Puri, Orissa. There is one Lakri, who he will be, I will take you. Why are they? Because it is your karma. That is why God has kept this Pandaris there. Is to trouble you. And many big temples, there will be agents who will trouble you, he will loot you. It is made actually, if you are able to overcome, you are successful. If you are not able to overcome, you are failed. Means again you have to be, so you should not take upset actually for most smallest thing. Everything depends on karma. If you are pure and your thoughts are good and positive, generally nobody will trouble you. They will come and welcome. Even the God comes and welcomes you. There is no panda or anybody in that. Followed you. So I want you to have good thoughts, always think positive, not to get upset with small things. And you cannot expect everybody to be, see, I tell you, always help the good people, never help the wrong people. So you cannot expect everybody also good, you know. Around 90% people are very bad. You expect bad people and work, then you will not get upset. You expect, you are perfect, you are good. So you are expecting everybody, that person also. It is not like that. The coin has got two sides. You have to expect and you have to accept the natures. Nature has got positive. Good people, 48%. Bad people, 52%. And always bad people are more. Never good people are more. They can never go more than 50%, never. Then the balance of the earth will never be there. Follow? So this is very important. So I want you all never to get upset and always, you know, feel good and be happy and smile. See, her husband just started smiling. I was very happy. Some other things. There are people never. There is. I'll tell you one case. I think last month. There is one child, boy. He is now in 11th class or something. Up to 10th class, he is the first. Top, very top. After 10th, he started taking drugs. And he did not appear for 11th class. And he tried cut his hair and all that, suicide. And another biggest thing, he and his father all the time fight, literally fight. Physically. And the poor lady is suffering. So that case was referred to me actually. Actually, it is a complicated case. It is not that the present birth. That lady, her mother died of cancer. Her father is an IAS officer in Maharashtra Revenue Department, retired. So they got only one girl who was married, and that girl got this boy. The boy is extraordinarily intelligent, well built up. But this boy is after 9th, 10th, drug addict and does not do and create lot of problems. Funniest thing is, he will go to balcony and will piss. And the urine will start falling and all the society members will complain. And he want to, then all the people will fire his father. So he will get happy. So all these things is going on actually. And that lady was really crying, somebody referred to me actually. So when I checked, I told it is not this boy's problem. This is the previous problem of the boy, his mother and the father. It's a combined problem of everybody. And I gave them, I think, two sessions. So the boy was very calm, quiet, everything. For 1 or 2 months, everything perfect, nothing. No problem. I told you can study engineering and you will become a. He started studying. But after 1 month, that effect of my healing is reduced. And also that boy's father is highly negative, highly business minded. That causes more problem to the boy to become again negative, and he started the suicide. And it was the corona time. And my building people does not allow anybody to come in our building actually. So I told they were calling every day to puja and requesting at least one session. I told the building does not allow because I can't overrule the decision of secretary. I think 2-3 weeks has passed actually. The boy has become very violent. Then I talked to the secretary actually. This is a genuine case. You have to permit that patient to come to. She agreed actually. They will test this And then there is a, and the boy was taken. Then gave him healing, and he became normal. Maybe 15, 20 days he was. He need more healing actually because he has got half lifeline. Half lifeline means he has no nervous system. That is why he is trying to suicide. When your nervous system is good, your mental power will be strong. You can withstand. But half lifeline, this came from the lady, the mother. Mother has got cancer effect. Because that cancer effect got her from her mother. So grandmother, mother. That is why the boy is behaving. And there is a previous birth connection also. So all this combined problem. I had healed that lady. Her lifeline, everything became normal. The boy also from here to here it was, but it was not perfect. So again after 10-15 days, again they were calling, I think, alternate days puja, and puja was important. So again I talked to the secretary, she told okay. And I gave another one more healing. And the boy is now normal. I think some 1 or 2, one month actually, and he is normal. I told that lady to shift the boy away from the house where your husband is now. Because both of them are strictly opposite character. So it is not easy actually to adjust with the people. So this is the way. So you can't expect, there are a lot of problems in everybody's life. Everybody's life. Even God has got also problems. It's not that he is followed, So you should not get upset, I got this, I got that. So it is not right actually. And you cannot expect, every time everything good. No. There is always an up and down. This like a sine wave cosine. How it goes up and down. So electricity how goes, it is also sine wave or cos wave. So life is also like that actually. And we should not get disappointed. We smile all the time. Be happy, and only help good people. That is it. See, somebody, I think yesterday, came with some problem. I told you help the wrong. That is the way all this problem came. Followed, The wrong people always give negative effect to the nature. See, nature only will tell you. You see, then immediately you will ask, how identify good people, bad people? You have to use your, intelligent, logic mind. Unless and until you don't want, you go on using that, then you will have a clear memory of that data actually. You will be able to clearly be, this fellow is not correct. Follow? Unless and until you always depend on me, it is not correct. You should only use your things. Okay? I think it's okay actually. Now one more time we will tell Guru, then we will stop. That I. Okay. Everybody is happy. You have got any doubt or something?
No.
If any problem is there, if anybody is troubled, I really bother. Okay. Don't I bless you all people actually. Okay. We will have Guru Brahma.
Yes.
Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Anybody want to know anything or anybody want to come? You can talk now actually. Anybody want to talk or anybody want to ask any question? Yeah, I got some time.
Renuka.
It is that side. Talk.
Really, I have a small doubt. Though many people I ask, many people clarify, somehow still I am not very clear. That's why I am posing again the same question, whether it is a primitive or silly, but I want clarification. See, whenever we do self-healing, suppose if I am doing here, it starts shivering the hand. Slowly it will start, then fast it goes, and that slowly it stops. I can stop it, but it only stops on us. That takes part on all the faces. And you were telling Mooladhara not to do much, I am not touching much. And it starts itself, I am cutting it off. And when you do meditation, sometimes simply if you keep hands, it starts shivering. So which is vibration, which is shivering, I could not differentiate that. And one more thing, sometimes when you do meditation, a lot of energy comes here. So I think, let me use that energy, I keep here. That time again it starts shivering that much. So it's a vibration or shivering and what ends for, I could not understand much. Whether it is going right or what exactly is happening. I just wanted, if I'm getting pain here, if I keep here, this also starts shaking. So what is happening, I could not understand much. When I asked some people and all, I was not very happy with the explanation they gave. So I just wanted you to tell me.
I will answer your question. See, whatever you are feeling vibration here or whatever way, all are correct. Followed, it depends on your body, mind, power together. Suppose your mind and body high, it will be heavy vibration. See, you can sit here and vibrate any part, provided and also, see, I answer some question now. It may be correct for you, but it may not be correct for somebody. Because their body mind will be very high level. They even will not touch here and make, they just sit here and make vibrate. Followed, In your case, if there is a heavy fault here, there will be heavy vibration here and also a heavy vibration here. Because the vibration is created more to remove the negative energy or the disease. If it is minor, it will be less. Followed, At that time, suppose you have a fault somewhere, you are now healing here. But there is some fault which you don't know. That also will trigger. There is heavy flow, it will trigger. You may be healing. Suddenly here you will get. Because that place, the body is showing you that way. I also want healing. So once you finish this, shift this here. Followed, And vibration even by sitting also. Suppose you sit here and think of your stomach as cold. This will shiver like anything. Followed, that is also perfect. Whatever people reply you also correct, but that depends on your stage or how much years of experience you have. Some people, I don't answer them. You will get it. So they will tell, after 3 days, I got the way, actually the solution. Some people I will tell, this lady I told you read the book. She sent me some question, but it was her duty, it is in the book. Then she got, but again I replied it actually, so that I want she feel happy. Because she was unhappy when I get there. Because she want the thing immediately. But I don't want to give him her immediately. She should also put some effort in reading the followed, So different way of approach, different way of answers come from I may be answering one answer to other, but I may be answering different answers to you. Followed, So you should not feel it actually, and everything is correct. In my system, you cannot do anything wrong. Anything anybody can never do wrong, because we have corrected and kept your chakras in a particular vibration, and any negative feedback, it will be eliminated. That is why this is only done by gurus, never done by any other people, because if any mischief comes, this gets twisted or your brain gets damaged. So nothing will happen. You will just do anything, any negative or anything wrong goes wiped out. Followed, and there is no need to worry. And vibration, actually, if your vibration is very high, then there is no negative or any disease. And the disease will go on coming because it is outside. It can be in your body, but it can be outside also. It can be your relatives. They are all connected with the karma. They can also cause followed, grievous, unhappiness. Somebody may even talk, that may cause you unhappiness, depression. So diseases may come all the time. But if you stay strong with high vibration, their vibrations are negative. It really reflects at the same way.
Thank you. If you stand sometimes also, it starts shaking.
That is all natural.
Any nervous breakdown?
No, that.
I had my doubts.
No, that time you have to sit. Because some people vibration become very high, today Kamala pattern. So, that time you have to sit actually and relax. And body, if it goes to a peak vibration, it automatically cut off. You can feel, actually, I tell you, in some vibration level, you will be totally in bliss. That time, after some period, your mind gets cut off. Then that bliss is again actually cut off. So you don't get that bliss. Followed, body has got very perfect feedback system. It protects you in many places, many locations. So you have no need to worry. Followed?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And I feel all the difficulties, all the diseases, all the body faults, you should take positive and try to understand the thing. If you have got that body fault only, you will understand the vibration of heart, vibration of this one. And then how to, I will tell you one case actually. This is last month. This is our KMG members. One lady called me. Her husband is drug addict and also drinks all the things. Okay, before her marriage itself, I told don't marry this fellow. But she told no, I will marry him only. I love him. I told it is very difficult to live with him. Even his mother cannot tolerate. Then how can you tolerate actually? Nobody can tolerate this fellow. She told no, I will marry him. Married. One day, I think last month, she called me. I am not disclosing his name. My husband is now again. He has stopped, what is that, smoking, drinking, charas, everything. Because I gave him 3 healing, became 4 or 5 months normal, very good actually. Because his friends were actually accompanying him in the group. So he has left the friends and shifted from to Bombay. So this lady, now it is Corona time, nobody is supposed to move. He take the ATM card and go to take the this one and brings charas. And I don't know how he get. We know all the people in that Dada Islam, all the people, and he can manipulate anybody and bring it. And I'm totally tired actually, and he's removing all the money actually in our account. He has got a lot of money because his father died at that time. Some business was there, he has sold it up. And the lady, mother, distributed all the people and kept so that she wanted to get rid of him. So that money is there. So I asked her, why do you give then? I asked the lady, why do you give the ATM card? No, if I don't give, we will go to bank. There is no question actually. Then he was literally crying. She was literally crying. I'm really tired of him actually, something I did not reply back. I felt very bad. And that lady is so good, so nice. And she is also one company's top person actually. So I felt very bad. I told her, you don't worry, you just give me some time actually. So I felt, actually basically that person is very good. I can't blame him. He has got good manners, good behavior. And if you meet him, you will never see he is bad. Such a pure person. So when I thought I will work out you, I got 2 ways to work out. Either is to punish him or indirectly work on him. Or I call him and talk to him. I thought first I'll call him and talk to him. I fired him actually. I waited next day. Next day I got no need actually. I just put my mind, put his block actually. After 1 week or 10 days, that lady called me. 1 week I think. My husband has become so pure now. He's not even touching, nothing, very perfect. I told, you require that. And he's now more than 40 days, he's so perfect. Follow, you know. It is the vibration actually, which you can create. You can influence anybody. You can also do it actually. Your children, you don't fire them, fight with them. You only create a vibration where that boy or children or your daughter is controlled. Or your husband or your wife is controlled. Follow? So the vibration actually in meditation is very high. That you achieve. That is what I see. Why I tell body vibration. That is the way only I can tempt you. Do you enjoy body vibration? Isn't it? It's a tremendous enjoyment. See, in later stage you sit and vibrate. You know they are all tremendous. So everybody should feel it actually. Follow? And then you know. See, when now what is happening, you do a lot of things and you don't get any result. Then you get upset, yes, I'm cheating. This is what generally people do. I tell no, it is testing of you. It's not cheating. You do it, I guarantee actually. So I tell the people, okay, do it. And when they can't do, I do it for some people. Because they are not meant for that. I think that's enough. I think if I talk, I will go on talking.
Anurag.
Mahaniya Kripa जीवन पथ पर पल 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 जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर पल 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 जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर बिसरूं न कभी बिसरूं न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा बिसरूं न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा गुरुदेव मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है बस एक यही मेरा बल है गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा महनीय कृपा महनीय कृपा
Pujya Guruji, we thank you for gracing us and for allowing us the Guru Purnima and for giving us a chance and an opportunity to have this divine occasion, celebration in Hyderabad. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Actually, I am very happy we are able to do it in Hyderabad.
Yes,
These people have really made it possible.
Thank
See,
you.
when I started from Bombay, it was clearly shown heavy block, tuck. It is shown to me, there is a heavy block, you can't proceed. Then it was shown big, strong, and I pushing. Then that block is slowly. Again there is something. Every stage it will be, but it will be done. But heavy block. Everywhere it was blocked actually. From first actually I want to travel to Hyderabad, but it was blocked. Then again I changed to Delhi. Then I reached Delhi. Then Delhi also, Delhi don't want me to leave Delhi. It literally does not want. See, my flight I booked at 2 o'clock. Actually, I tried for Indigo 2 o'clock, I could not get. Many days back. Then they told there is none. Then I tried, then the agent took Vistara 2 o'clock. Because 2 o'clock means I get time to prepare and come. Then I made the boarding bus, everything. After 1 hour he told that flight is cancelled, your booking is made early morning flight. I told okay, again I print everything. And then morning 4 o'clock I wake up and went to the airport. Again boarding bus. No, tomorrow you are. Instead of 3rd, 4th it is. And today's flight is cancelled. I told at least here I have boarding bus, everything. Waiting for me. They just smiled on me. So I told them I had got appointment today. I had to fly at any cost today. So I asked them actually, is there any flight after this time? Then he told, 8 o'clock there is an Air India flight. Then I told, you keep my ticket for tomorrow, keep it. I'll go to Air India. If there is a flight, I'll take the flight. And then I will come back here and cancel. The Air India people, because there is only one flight. So I thought it may be full, but when I went there, he told it is not full, it is 35% empty. So I was very happy. And also, you know, one of the most important thing I tell you, see, if the airport was to be reached 2 o'clock, 2 hours, I always make 3 hours. I don't wait 2 hours. And my son-in-law always make fun. Daddy, why you are going so early? My daughter also will go. If I haven't gone, you know, I could not catch that flight because so many formalities there to fill up. Agreement, what is the undertaking, all these things for new Air India I have to give up. In 1 hour it is impossible. So when I went to the again Air Vistara, they immediately cancelled and they told full refund. And I went to Air India, I got it. So you know, everywhere there is a block actually. When I came here also, people were telling so many things and I got a lot of messages, there will be this. I don't calm. Let us finish this, then we will have problem actually. So it is there. Actually this coronavirus only helped us. Our people, it really helped many people. Because all of them is religiously doing Jalni, and then garlic ginger paste and PHP exercises, juices, all these things people were doing. That is very rare, you know, and unitedly, and everybody doing meditation also, except one person. None of them has got corona in our group. That person, she is a lady doctor in New York. She got the corona. All other people don't have any problem. Followed, you know. And we have got maximum health problem, our people. Physically, mentally, in all the ways. It all made us actually good. Really, I tell you, I don't think nature is troubling us. Nature is only helping us. And also our karma is getting purified. Isn't it? And if corona was not there, I should not die. Maybe 3-4 days I like to some other place.
Actually, during the lockdown, Guruji, I went to pick up my daughter. My husband, you can't go now, police people will stop. I said, I will tell them I'm a cancer patient and my daughter was wearing coat and everything. So they will allow. He said, no one will believe that if seeing that you are a cancer patient, that's all.
No, I tell you, see, whatever nature does, it is always good only. You cannot take it lightly. And you know, first we thought we'll do it in the center. Then, you know, unluckily, in the same building, we have got patients actually. So they may take more problem, you know. See, the other thing also you can see. I left Bombay 22nd. 23rd, there one boy came from Singapore in second floor. He was corona. Then the building was completely. If all this is, you know, even 5 hour or 1 hour delay, many of the things should have lost. Your tarot card, he put it while coming. Puja put it, and it was clearly shown everything what is going to happen. But we told we will make it. But yes, we have made it. Followed, you know. Yes. Every day. I was telling, there is a cabinet. I told, let us finish this, then the cabinet will think of it. And we can't blame anybody else. Anyway, but God has helped us. Yesterday they told me there should not be rain, there should not be any power cut, there should not be all these things, the condition also came and told me. I just smiled only, let us see it. And everybody is happy, you know? Yes. They always smile, don't bother actually. And there is no corona, it's our friend only. Anything you wanted to do? Acha. थोड़ा पीछे
सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे
शादी हो जाएगी।
डैडी को बोलो।
मेरी जल्दी शादी होएगा and marry fast actually. Don't stay alone. Generally I tell not to marry. But in your case, इसको जल्दी शादी करना है कर लो। And you know, don't simple marriage, registered marriage or. But spiritually is very nice. I value for spirituality.
Before my marriage also people used to say me like that.
But your case may be different. Everybody is different.
Aditya, he is Anurag's friend was. I discovered to him Aditya को देना है.
You have done very well. Okay, thank you very much. Very nice.
For having accepted our whatever the preparation has been made. What you were telling is 100% correct. Though Guru is almighty, present everywhere, but we are still luckiest because we are in the physical presence of our Guruji. So we are very grateful to you, Guruji, for having made it and for having allowed all of us to come and have darshan. And at the same time, I thank Usha, Kiran, Sushi, Anurag and all the parties who have made this a beautiful occasion. I never expected it to be so beautiful. Except that our people, lot of people are not there. Everything is very finely arranged. I thank each and every person, YouTube, people whoever is doing it. I thank all the cameramen and everybody involved in the preparation. So, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude for each and every person to make the function a grand success. Thank you.